All Aboard America has been around for over 85 years. We operate in 3 states, Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico.
If it moves on wheels and has people aboard, we're doing it.
Our number one priority is safety. Our motto is safety drives all decisions.
I say all the time to our drivers, your work requires no less focus than a brain surgeon. You have to be on your game every minute of every day, and people's lives are depending upon it.
Lo es pues hay muchos choferes inseguros. Tiene uno que estar siempre mirando espejos, carros. Es muy bueno estar bien atentos a todo.
The Samsara Award for Driver of the Year, it was a huge win for the company.
We're just so proud of Jaime, and we're so happy he's here.
Getting the award was not only a chance to recognize him, but the hard work of everybody at All Aboard America. Over 85% of our drivers have a score of 90 or higher, and that's something that we take great pride in.
It's a nice, friendly competition between them all. They're able to see what they're doing out on the road, and that's a big plus for them.
Me siento muy contento por ser el número 1.
The Samsara driver app has improved driver engagement because we're in contact with our drivers more. Everything that we do really has our employees in mind.
It's no secret that staffing and driver shortages are a problem across all industries, and using the Samsara platform makes a big difference in making sure you have the right team in place and the right drivers in place in order to maintain the workload.
We're investing in our drivers every day by working with Samsara. Who wouldn't want to work for a company like that?
We care about the well-being of our customers and our passengers. As we are having less accidents, we benefit from lower insurance premiums, less payouts, and it helps us advertise to our customers that we are a safe operator. If we don't have a well-maintained operating fleet that we can control and have visibility into and insight, then we can't run our business.
Samsara integrates with other platforms. You can pull the data that you need from the right systems to build the reports that make the business, easier to run.
Samsara has given us the ability to automate our reporting. We've been able to streamline the driver check-in, check-out. That's 500 man-hours per day brought back. That helps us stay staffed and not go over our hours of service. That helps our drivers not be fatigued. Our overall efficiency has improved by 20% since we started working with Samsara. In the prior quarter, All Aboard America drove more than 1 million miles. When you're talking $5 a gallon in fuel, if you can save 3%, it's thousands of dollars. These little changes have huge impacts. One of the best things about Samsara is the amount of data they make available. When Jaime won Driver of the Year, I loved seeing his name come through the system. It was like, that's the guy I've been watching. His safety scores, efficiency numbers, that was data validation on a different level. Every decision we make now is completely data-driven, and we're doing things that we never thought were actually possible. Almost all of it is related to Samsara in some way, shape, or form. It is transformative. They're going to continue to help the industry as a whole, not just us. And we're looking forward to continuing to grow together.